Hi, this is Benjamin Abhinav Dasari. I'm going to explain you about evaluation of Fresnel's financial statements. And my the first slide is about introduction. Introduction about Fresnel Enterprise Inc. is they just got partnered with the Chinese company to secure the smartphones. These enlarging smartphones screen guards target US retirees. They most probably based on US retirees, and the Fresnel engaged a contract manufacturer to use China's manufacturing experience since excels in designing and marketing and distribution. Fresnels must provide working capital for the distribution and the first Chinese production and assembly plant invested in a China. This corporation will liquidate project assets after the 5 years. Each asset will be fully depreciated by year 5. Design cost, initial cost and capital investment of percentage sales I have explained in the next slide on our next slides. The next slide is about aspects of the pro forma income statement. As I mentioned in the table, I just mentioned about the sales, cost of goods sold, selling and administrative, EBIT and depreciation, interest, EBT, taxes and net income. And I get the numbers here and I got strengths and weakness as explained above. And the next one is about aspects of working capital. The, the screen guard project working capital analysis. I got the 5-year plan mentioned in the table, working capital need and the working capital change, recovery of working capital and total working capital investment. I got, as I mentioned, I got the numbers here and the strengths and weakness. The strengths of the corporation is to ensure the liquidity and efficiency considerably rebounded in 5 years, and the company's adaptability in business conditions and overall capital is shown. The negative is the total working capital investment shows a release of capital, and but a consistent negative result over the years may suggest underinvestment. And this, the predictability in the company's management would affect the cash flow. And the next one is about, as I mentioned, the aspects of free cash flow and discounted cash flow. Now, the table is about the equipment investment and world capital investment after tax, cash flow, free cash flow. I gave the numbers that they got the project today is free cash flows as it got about 8,45,000 and 89 some change, and VCR indicates high ROI. IR is estimated to be 158% annually. The strengths, they got the net present value of 8,45,989.1 after the time value of money reveals the significant change in the firm due to its 13 point BCR and 158 IRR. The project returns exceeds its initial investment and per capital investment and the capital expenditure. The weakness, the working capital investment, they've got huge growth in the period of 5 years, and which could affect the project cash flow, profitability. In year zero, the initial equipment is a large cash outlay that in the large case in the fifth year. And recommendations for the here my things, the pro forma income statement showed steady cost structure, positive EBIT, and good tax management. Fresnel should investigate ways to boost sales and preserve profitability during the project. The early working capital analysis revealed some efficient management recovery. However, in the large area of 5 years, they analyzed working capital components and took some steps to maintain efficiency and liquidity. The project's NPV and BCR and IRR estimates huge profits with a positive of 8,45,000 and 989.1 dollars and BCR of 30.53% and IAR of 158%. The enterprise have high ROI potential. This supports the Fresnel's financial goals and makes the project an attractive project. Thank you.